As a gamer, I want to press the start button so I can begin playing the game. As a gamer, I want to press the mode button so I can choose the game difficulty. While playing the game, I want to move the shooter using the left and right arrow key so I can navigate the shooter on the game scene. As a gamer, I want to right mouse click to shoot a grenade. As a gamer, I want to press the mouse button so I can shoot a paintball. As a gamer, I want to kill the color objects with the paintball so I can get more game score. As a gamer, I want to kill the color objects with paint grenades so I can get a higher game score. As a color target, I want to appear from the top of the screen and fall vertically at a set rate so the gamer has time to react. As a color target, I want to appear in a random order so that the gamer has a hard time of destroying us. As a paintball, I want to travel to the mouse press location so I can attach myself to color targets. As a paintball, I want to attach myself to color targets that are the same color as me so that I can kill all linking same color targets. As a paintball, I want to bounce off the edge of the screen so that I don't get shot out of frame. As a grenade, I want to become active after a set amount of time so the gamer doesn't lose too easily. As a grenade, I want to attach to a color target so I can destroy all same color targets. As a grenade, I want to bounce off the edge of the screen so I don't get launched out of frame. As a grenade, I want to travel to the mouse press location so I can attach myself to a color target.